25-minute
Say goodbye.
So you're gonna go bye. Just left.
We just left.
Janelle was the one who said the last name.
Not fair. Let's come back soon, okay?
Yeah, let's come back soon.
Okay.
We're at Moose's Loose Bakery.
Let's go.
Home of the donuts the size of your face.
Oh, they're delicious.
Moose's Loose.
Gosh.
They're delicious.
They're delicious.
Okay, I'll get some more.
Alright. You guys know what you want?
Okay, so everybody over here been waiting on you. Oh, yeah.
And now we're going to coffee. And okay, there's a fence in the way. Okay. Walking over here for some coffee. Yeah.
What?
Walking over here for some coffee. Oh, cute. There it is. Oh, it's too bright out here. Kalati Brothers Coffee. Stoked?
Stoked.
It's cute. Do you like it? The coffee man.
Coffee, coffee!
Yummy, 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 yummy. Hopping the fence part 2. But this time with 4 coffees.
Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4.
No spillage. Pretty darn good. You spilled mine?
I said getting into the car, I'll spill.
Oh, yeah. Probably.
Which one's the white one and which one's the normal one?
Uh-oh. I don't know.
These guys were all bred for performance. They bred dogs that ran really well with dogs that ate really
Smelly.
Jax. Josh back there.
This is Fox Canyon behind us, so it's actually bigger.
Please. Can I hold it? Everybody's going to have a turn. Okay? So I don't want anybody fighting.
I hope it doesn't pee on me.
I want a buffet.
It's yours.
What do you think?
Can I take it home? So cute. Its little arm sticking out. No, I'm running away. Don't run away. I can feel his little heartbeat just like. Oh, so sleepy. It's so sweet. It's so cute.
Most folks 1 to 3 or more hours to hike to the top. The preferred direction of travel is up. We do not recommend hiking down the trail. It's very hard on your joints and you will feel it in your quads and buds tomorrow.
Look at the view. There she is.
Windy up here. How was it?
It was pretty cool. What'd you think?
Pretty cool. How'd you think?
We went up like way farther, so it was awesome.
Pretty cool.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah, like seems to have squats.
Okay, guys. Look. The world's largest chocolate fountain, right?
Yep.
What is it? 50? What do you say?
I don't. Well, these are 50-pound.
20-foot chocolate.
I'm born and raised in. I'm from Sherman.
It contains
Yeah, we're going to Cooper Creek. Okay.
3,400 pounds of real liquid chocolate. Holy, that's crazy. We are now sitting at the airport.
Yeah.
Get back here with me. Sorry. Our flight leaves at what time?
11:50, I think it says we board. Or 10.
And we'll get into LAX at 6. Then we have to drive all the way down to San Diego for our passport meetings. And that'll be fun.
Not really, but yeah.
But yeah, it's kind of a long flight, so I think we're just gonna end it here at the airport. And we will see you guys in the next video. What's your favorite part of the trip?
All of it.
You have to have a favorite part.
I don't have a favorite part. There's too much fun stuff that we did. What was your favorite part?
I liked all the sightseeing
Yeah.
and meeting your fan band.
Yeah. It was good to see them again.
Yeah, it was good to meet them.
Good.
So we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.